Chapter 6 Festivals of India. Festivals are an important part of our lives. People wear new clothes, exchange greetings and gifts, have fun and laughter, eat special dishes, and celebrate festivals. Some festivals are celebrated throughout the country, whereas some other festivals are celebrated only in specific states of the country. Festivals are mainly of three types: national festivals, religious festivals, harvest festivals. National festivals. National festivals are celebrated by the people all over the country. They are Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day. India became independent on 15th August 1947. Therefore, the Independence Day is celebrated on this day every year. The Prime Minister of our country hoists the national flag at Red Fort in Delhi and addresses the nation. People sing the national anthem and other patriotic songs. Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. On this day, in 1950, India became a democratic republic. A grand parade is taken out at Rajpath in New Delhi. The President of India takes the salute of this parade. Units from the Army, Navy, and Air Force take part in this parade and display their weapons, tanks, models of fighter planes, and ships. There are colorful tableaux from different states, which makes the parade more lively. Folk dancers from different states perform their dances. Hundreds of school children also participate in this parade. Children who have won awards for their bravery from the President of India are taken around on decorated elephants in the Republic Day parade. People from other countries come to see this parade. Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. On this day, in 1869, Mahatma Gandhi was born. He is also known as the father of the nation. The entire nation pays homage to Mahatma Gandhi. Religious prayers are chanted at his Samadhi at Rajghat in Delhi. As a mark of respect to him, people spin the charkha and sing Ramdhun on this day. Religious festivals. Religious festivals are celebrated by the people of different religions. Some festivals like Dussehra, Diwali, Holi, and Christmas are days of fun and gaiety. Some are days of mourning like Good Friday and Muharram. Dussehra. It is celebrated throughout India as the day when Lord Rama killed the 10-headed demon King Ravana. Dussehra marks the victory of good over evil. Therefore, it is also known as Vijay Dashmi. It is celebrated for 10 days. Ram Leela, which shows the life of Lord Rama, is staged for the first 9 days all over North India. On the 10th day, the effigies of Ravan, his brother Kumbhakaran, and son Meghnad are burnt. The Dussehra of Kullu Valley and Mysore is famous all over the country. In some states, Dussehra is celebrated in a different way. In West Bengal, it is celebrated as Durga Puja. People make big idols of Goddess Durga, and after the puja, they are immersed into the water. Diwali. Diwali is famous as Festival of Light. It is believed that on this day, Lord Rama returned to his kingdom, Ayodhya, after 14 years of exile. Throughout India, the festival is marked with lights, sweets, feast, and funfair. People on this day worship goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. Guru Purabs. Guru Purabs are the birthdays of the Sikh Gurus. The most important one among these is the birthday of Guru Nanak, the first Sikh Guru. It is also called Kartik Purnima festival as it falls on the full moon day in the month of Kartik. On this day, the Sikhs go to the Gurudwaras. An open kitchen or langar is also organized for public eating, feasting, and community celebration. Eid ul Fitr. It is celebrated at the end of Ramadan by the Muslims all over the world. On this day, the devotees put on new clothes and offer namaz at mosque or in the open courtyard. After the prayer, people participate in the feast and in fairs. They prepare a special sweet dish called sevaiya. The elders give gifts and money to the children, which is called Eidi. Raksha Bandhan. It is a festival celebrating the bond of love between a brother and sister. On this day, sisters tie Rakhis on the wrist of their brothers for their long and happy life, and brothers in turn vow to take care and protect their sisters. On this day, brothers present gifts to their sisters. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated by the Christians on 25th December. On this day, Jesus Christ was born to Virgin Mary in a stable of Bethlehem. On Christmas, people attend midnight mass meetings and sing carols in churches. Children decorate Christmas trees and give gifts to friends and relatives. People also bake special Christmas cakes, and Santa Claus distributes gifts to the children. Harvest festivals. These festivals are celebrated when the crops are being gathered. They mark the change in season. Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. It consists of 2 days of celebration. First day of Holi signifies the destruction of Holika in her attempt to kill Prahlad. On this day, a huge bonfire is made and people worship it and go around the fire. They roast raw barley in it. On the second day of Holi, people throw gulal on each other, sing and dance to the beat of dholak and enjoy a variety of sweets and other delicious food. Baisakhi. It is one of the main festivals of Sikhs and is celebrated with great enthusiasm in Punjab. It marks the beginning of the month Vaishakh. It is a harvest festival which is celebrated on the 13th day of April. On this day, Sikhs go to Gurudwaras and perform Kar Seva. During the evening, procession is taken out in the streets. Lohri. Lohri is celebrated on the 13th day of January in the states of Punjab and Haryana. In the evening, a huge bonfire is lit and people dance around it. Sugarcane stalks and parched rice are thrown in the bonfire. Men perform bhangra and women do gidda dance. Lohri is a fun-filled festival for everyone. Onam. Onam is celebrated at the time when the southwest monsoon ends and the spring and harvest seasons begin in the state of Kerala. It is believed that King Bali comes to visit his people in Kerala once a year and people rejoice his homecoming. Pongal. It is a famous festival celebrated in the state of Tamil Nadu. It is celebrated for 3 days in the honor of the rain god Indra, the sun god, and the holy cow respectively. On the third day, an interesting event of bullfight is organized in every town. Special dish called Pongal is prepared on this day. Let's understand. Patriotic, expressing support for one's country. Tableaux, a display of a scene using models or motionless figures. Homage, special honor or respect shown publicly. Mourn, feel or show sorrow. Recap, there are three types of festivals: national festivals, religious festivals, and harvest festivals. National festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Important religious festivals are Dashera, Diwali, Guru Purabs, Eid, Raksha Bandhan, and Christmas. Harvest festivals mark the change in seasons. They are Holi, Vaisakhi, Lohri, Onam, and Pongal.